Carlos said, do you think you'd be my actor? You cute, brother. What's up, Julian? Over here. I'm right in front of Carlos' shop. Todas las que traen las GoPro por una y el teléfono, ¿no? Sat at a bar in Texas last week. Oh yeah? Sometime here now. Oh no way! Yeah. I bought it back for 3 weeks too. I heard that, yeah. It's all good. He had a heart attack in December last year, and then he had a heart attack and came home on hospice care. Yeah, he sold it before and I bought it back, so I owned it before he sold it. Man, that's crazy. Texas, huh? Yeah. So did you want it like for show? My uncle bought it. So they wanted it for show or what? Out like there? To put it in he had it in the bar. It's like a desk. You gotta drive it, huh? Hell yeah, now I am. I mean, the motor should be good, huh? Yeah. You will never fuck up as long as you don't put nitrous. Right? If something happens to this motor, I'm an LS swap. Yeah? Yep, LS swap. You're gonna keep it forever, huh? Yeah. Yeah, remember your dad? Put a big old LS engine right here. Like your LS. Put an LS swap. Put a big old fucking. Dad, he bought it like this, or you do? He built it. Oh. Like a lot of fucking drag cars. Right?
Hey there. You remember me?
Sandy or Whitney?
I'm Sandy.
I'm Sandy or Whitney.
How are you? Great. Your grandpa's. This is your grandpa's car.
My dad's.
Your dad?
Yeah.
Is he still around or? Oh, I'm sorry. My dad passed away 2 years ago. And then the house is mine now. But it's a pain in the neck. Oh, yeah, that big, beautiful. It's vintage. I love it. Mine is just, I'm renting the front from the original renters, but they're being a pain in the ass. And then I told their mom, I gave you the house, but I need to make sure you are assertive to the kids. Yeah, he just drove it, don't touch it. And then this is my nephew, he's a special. It's his first cruise night. He's like, everything is amazing. Yeah, but I'm sorry for your loss. It is hard going, especially like with insurance and it took me like 4 months to get my dad's funeral going. I worked 2 jobs, and then I didn't even know I was pregnant, so I was like, I had lost a child, and then I was just like, oh, yeah, it was not cool. And then trying to get my brother and sister to help me, and that shit, I didn't bother anymore. And then I have to take care of my big sister's kiddo. But my mom said I can get to him. She had to bring me diapers and all that. was happy on like working. Jojo! He just drove it. This car, man, your dad, oh man, took care of it. Like, and then he never took off that grumpy sticker though. Never. I cannot right now. Like, I remember I was
I got 30 bands up in the bishop in a headlock. Dead stop kicks and the bitch gon' make the bed rock. Land hot. Nigga trip on me, I bet his head rock. Flipped up, I'm seeing with a red drop.
That's my favorite part, so crazy.
Yeah.
Wait, we have
hard to drive. Exactly, it's hard to drive it. Yeah. Well, you just gotta
that one?
How's it going?
I should drive. No.